Why do most fruits have a round shape? Living things usually have shapes for a good reason. We can see this when we think about leaves. Leaves need to receive sunlight, so they must be wide. But if they become too wide, the wind can tear them easily. Because of this, leaves grow wide but in directions that help them stay strong. That is why many leaves have smooth, streamlined shapes. Leaves must also meet another condition. They must be made in large numbers using little energy. If a leaf is thin, it tears easily. If it is strong, it becomes thick. Plants solve this contradiction with thin leaf veins. They keep strength only where it is needed and leave the rest empty. Just as the shape of a leaf is not an accident, the shape of a fruit also has a reason. When we think about why many fruits are round, we can find a clue using solid figures. When we hold the same volume, the shape with the smallest surface area is a round shape. The peel is a structure that protects the seed. It is not the goal itself. As the surface area becomes larger, more unnecessary energy is needed. When fruits choose a round shape, they are making a choice to reduce this loss. It is similar to how bees build hexagonal honeycombs to create the largest possible space using the smallest amount of material. A smaller surface area means it is easier to hold on to moisture. The juice can stay inside longer. Of course, plants did not set up equations and calculate. Even so, when we look at the results, nature has always chosen a very accurate answer. A round shape also helps protect seeds. The seeds of apples and pears are always in the center. No matter which direction a bird pecks from, the seeds do not easily appear. If a fruit were long and thin, it might have become food for other animals before the seeds had time to fully develop. Not all fruits grow only to protect their seeds. Some fruits grow in small, round shapes. In these cases, movement matters more than protection. Just as a round pill passes through the throat more easily, small, round fruits are easy for animals to swallow. In this way, animals carry the seeds to new places. For plants, animals become partners that help reproduction. When a fruit is round, it can roll when it falls to the ground. The better it rolls, the more likely it is to move away from the shade of the parent tree. A round shape is also strong against impact. Because it has no corners, outside forces do not gather in one spot. Wind flows smoothly along the surface as well, which helps the fruit stay attached and not fall easily. Animal eggs are round for a similar reason. However, an egg is slightly pointed on one side. This shape helps the egg roll less so it does not roll out of the nest too easily. Long ago, many fruits probably had many different shapes. Among them, only the shapes that fit the environment, endured well, and could continue to the next generation have remained until today. Human lives cannot all take the same shape. Some people move through life in gentle curves, while others stand firm with sharp corners. Being round is not always good, and being sharp is not always bad. After all, when we build a stone wall, square stones often fit better than round ones.